All right, today I have another property and neighborhood tour for you. I am in Sierra Circle, which is in Northwest Bismarck here. We're on a private drive, and this house is absolutely massive. I'm so excited to get in there, show it to you. As you can see around here, all kinds of trees, private drive, super quiet, feels like you're in the middle of a forest, and in reality, you're in the middle of Bismarck. So let's go check it out. All right, so I'm here at Sierra Circle. I'm gonna be walking up this private drive all the way up to the house here, which is at the end of the cul-de-sac. Right behind me is Tyler Parkway, which is one of the main roads that runs north and south here in West Bismarck. And just about a block that way, a couple blocks that way, is I-94. So quick and easy access to get Bismarck, Mandan, or really anywhere. With the interstate being right there, you got a couple of restaurants between here and the interstate too. I can hear the traffic behind me right now, but once you get up into the house and into the backyard, and I mean, you can't hear any of it, but just absolutely beautiful drive up here. And I was actually just at the neighbor's place, and he was showing me his backyard and stuff. And I mean, all of these spots back here, just absolutely private and secluded. And I mean, it feels like you're on vacation in your backyard where it's just absolutely private. And this house that we have for you today was built in the 90s. It is a 4-bed, 5-bath, absolutely massive. It has over 4,800 square feet, and that's just the finished. That doesn't include the 2,000 square feet that are unfinished. So this is an unbelievable opportunity for you here. Private neighborhood, Northwest Bismarck, and this one's listed at under $800,000. Just an absolutely incredible buy, and we're gonna go check it out right now. Okay, so here we are now inside of Sierra Circle. Just came in through the front door. Well, one of the two front doors. I just did a walkthrough here, and I apologize in advance because I am likely gonna get lost because this place is massive and every room leads to another room, and it's an incredible house. I am so excited to show it to you here today. But so I just came in through the front door closest to the garage, coming in through here into the kitchen. So you got your gas burning cooktop, double ovens right over here. Massive center island. I don't even, like, there's just so much space in here. I don't really know. Usually there's a flow for me when showing you guys a house. And this one, there's so much that I want to share with you that I'm gonna get spun around here. We'll head over here just off of the kitchen dining room area. And I mean, there's so many different doors to the absolutely gorgeous outside, which I'm excited to show you here, that at the end. But so here we're in what I would consider to be the primary bedroom, just off of the kitchen on the main floor here. Plenty of space in here. Again, nice gorgeous windows. Step in here to the bath. Got a closet in here. Nice size walk-in closet. Nice size walk-in closet. Again, beautiful windows, and you'll see that all throughout the house here. Here you got double sinks. Nice chandelier in there. I mean, this is probably, like I said, walking through this house, probably my favorite part about it is the setting with where it's at, with all of these glass doors and windows. It just, you feel like you're in the woods. Like, so up here, Bismarck, North Dakota, I guess the best comparison would be like, you feel like you're in the Black Hills of South Dakota, kind of out in a cabin area, because like you can see your neighbors, but just barely. And because there's so many trees, everybody does a great job with all of their flowers. Like I said, it's on a private drive, so lots and lots of pride throughout the neighborhood. Maintaining and managing everything, making sure everything looks nice here. And so I just walked through what I guess I would consider to be a living room. Got a closet here. You got another half bath here. The second front door. Come in through here. So you got the second front door behind me. We got a formal dining room right here. And then pop back in through here into the kitchen. And so right there's where we started. See the first front door. Formal dining room with the second front door right over there. Obviously the kitchen. In the heart of the home here on the main level, you got your primary bedroom just off of it right there. You've got a living space here with a fireplace. Could put a TV up right there. Again, gorgeous windows. Here, I mean, you kind of got a flex space. You could throw another table here. If you got kids, throw some toys up in here, a little office area, reading nook, whatever. And then here, in a second living area, could be a den, could be, you know, a man cave or a study or really whatever you want it to be. You got floor to ceiling bookshelves, just absolutely incredible space here. So next we're gonna head upstairs and then we'll finish it off with downstairs, which is, like I said in the intro, over 2,000 square feet of unfinished basement. And hey, just real quick as I'm getting rained on here, for those of you that don't know, my name is Brady Duchek. I'm a full-time realtor here in Bismarck, North Dakota. And I just love helping people relocate to the area, relocate to Bismarck, Mandan, anywhere in North Dakota, really. And so if you haven't already, check out the description, click on the link, grab your free relocation guide. There's tons of info packed into there. Great if you're looking to move into the area and trying to figure out where exactly in North Dakota you want to live, or just learn more about a specific area you're looking to move to. I love answering your guys' questions, so feel free, call, text, email, anytime, whatever you prefer, I'm good with. And let's go check out the inside of Sierra Circle. Okay, so now I'm heading upstairs. We'll finish in the basement, and like I said in the intro, the basement is over 2,000 square feet of unfinished space. The space is incredible. So now here we are upstairs. You got another area that could be an office, could be a study. So here we see into a bedroom. I guess technically not a bedroom because there's technically not a closet. But walk out to a balcony here. Gorgeous views over here. Feels like looking out that window, it felt like I was looking over like a mini golf course or something, just because of all of the scenery and the greenness. In here we have a bathroom, which is a really cool setup. You got a sink there. You got a sink in here with a shower. And again, windows for days. Obviously this one was built in the 90s, so there's some dated, you know, you got wallpaper in pretty much every room. But I mean, the things that you can't replace in this house, because you can replace carpet, you can replace wallpaper, you can do all those types of things. The things that you can't replace, as far as location and like the yard and the views, this house is A+ for it. Here you got a walk-in closet. Again, I mean, this space, throw up some bookshelves, whatever, like maybe a piano, I don't know, all kinds of things. And so we got 2 bedrooms up here, plus one more. And so this is the 4th one because we had the one on the main. Again, over here, you can walk out to the patio. And so through here, you actually have like a storage area space, which is really cool. Check out this bathroom here. So this one has a attached bathroom to it as well. And so it could almost be like a second primary, depending on if you want to be on the main floor, if you want to be upstairs. And this one, you got bath, shower, separated, 2 sinks. You got the closet in through here. And so lots of space, over 4,000, almost actually over 4,800 square feet in this house, plus the 2,000 square foot unfinished basement. So tons and tons of space. Will not run out of storage in this house. And so here we are back on the main floor. Take you in through the basement, which is just through this door here. And I mean, it is an unfinished basement, but just incredible, incredible space. Lots of opportunities here for you. And surprisingly, this actually is not the first house that I've seen that has just a massive unfinished basement here in Bismarck. And so, not really sure what the reason is for that, but I mean, shoot, if you had your own business and you needed some space for storage, I mean, this would be a great opportunity for you. Storage galore down here. Or maybe you just really like decorating for the holidays and you've got, 4,800 square feet upstairs to decorate. Maybe you just keep all of your decorations down here. All right, so that's the inside of Sierra Circle. Still gonna show you the backyard here. It is kind of starting to rain, and I don't know if you can hear in the background, but the neighbors have some yard work going on. So if you hear that, I apologize. But I'm gonna walk back here to the backyard. Absolutely beautiful, like I said, tons of trees, so much privacy. And want to touch on one thing here about the private drive. One downside to having a private drive is the additional expense that causes. And so it's roughly about $1,000 a year that kind of just goes into the private road pool or fund, I guess. And that's just, you and your neighbors put into that so that if anything happens with your road, you need maintenance, anything like that, you guys kind of have a pool there. And so it varies depending on what you need it for. And so here, I mean, I can't see, other than those guys right there, I can't see any of my neighbors right now. You put fire pit, hot tub, whatever it is that you want here, and have just absolute privacy right here, right in your backyard, in the middle of Bismarck, North Dakota. I mean, look at this. Look at this backyard. This could be yours, plus 4,800 square feet, plus an additional 2,000 square feet of unfinished stuff, all for under $800,000. It is August 2024. If you're looking for something like this, a house with charm, middle of Bismarck, Northwest Bismarck, but feels absolutely private, like you were stuck away in the hills, mountains, forest, whatever it might be, check out Sierra Circle. It's listed by Amy Hullad with Century 21 Morrison Realty in my office. Reach out to either one of us. We would love to show you around and help you make this home yours. And whether you're looking to move here next week or next year, I would love to be your guide and help you make your move to North Dakota as smooth as possible. So feel free, call, text, email, whatever you prefer. I want to be there for you. I want to help you get your questions answered and help you find your new home here in Bismarck.